So guys, I saw a post about Bolt drivers, and I want to tell you all about what happened to me when I was still an actress. So when I got casted, it was a thing of provided transport. So I'm not gonna expose the production. I'm not gonna expose anything. So I was I was told that I'm provided transport. So cool. Makahamba isikhathi izinto zijike, yabo? Now they're telling me ukuthi Mel, you need to futhi ichintshe driver. So the driver kept on telling me ukuthi, hey Mel, you need to find yourself a boyfriend, yabo? I'm understanding ukuthi uchaza ukuthini. Hey, ngilonga imali yabo. This one time because ngihlala Auckland Park. This one time athi ngimo ngahlala eMaboneng ngithi mina yabo ngiyofuna eMaboneng yabo. I'm a student. As much as I'm an actress, but I'm a student, so I would love to maintain my lifestyle, yabo. Angifuna ukuphapha sengihamba namazi ngiyofuna eMaboneng. I don't know his intentions, but agcine seke ngivalela ku production stage production ukuthi ngeke sakhona yena ukungilanda Auckland Park angibuyisele because Auckland Park indawo yama-taxi. How indawo yama-taxi kanjani, yabo? Lapho ulanda umuntu eMaboneng aphinda amdrope off, of which according to me eMaboneng you indawo yama-taxi, Auckland Park indawo yama-taxi kanjani. But then I'm like, hey bo, yeah. So now it got to a point where I'm no longer provided transport. So sengihlezi ngicela, oh guys ngiyacela because mesingena guys like ekuseni ngo-4 so qeda ukushuta ngo-10 ebusuku, yabo? And guys, Joburg is really dangerous. And we were a bit far from Joburg, yabo? So sengihlezi ngicela ukuthi guys ngiyacela like mina manje mangaba safe, yabo? And lapho the show the thingy needed me every single day. Yeah, I was a supporting actress. Cool. So guys, there was a lady who was a cast coordinator who was fighting for me. Yeah, but she'd always said, guys, Umelinda is provided the transport. So right? So the lady actually production would say, hey, the production Mel Nyashia because by Delela I can't. The treatment is too bad. I'm leaving. So therefore I can't protect you anymore. Hi guys, I'm like, hey, cool. But like I said, I look shorter. I've signed the contract, so I'm in it. So the driver now is becoming so heartless to me. Guys, no man having really lived. Yabo? Mhlampe production ivume nayavuma uyongishiya esithubeni eJozi. This one time angishiya ngaze bridgini and masuka la shootela khona ne undlula vele ngeAuckland Park besathi eMaboneng. So yena manje ukudecide ukuthi angandluli ngeAuckland Park, yebo? How sinini angishiya emabridgini guys, I don't know that place kumnyama ngakhala, like I cried real tears because I'm like and etc. It's near Auckland Park. I'm like, namhlanje ngiyafa. So one of the guys from the production asked him, you know what, Melinda, you're a woman. I can't leave you here. It's because he's part of the production. So yena vele bayamlanda bambuyisela and ugayihlala eMaboneng. Athi, you know what, Melinda, it's fine. I see request, yabo. Sizoyenza istop siqale ngawe and then ugaya agcine ngami. The Bolt, yabo? Bolt, okay, vele senze kanjalo. Yo guys, I was so thankful. So mase figure la ngihlala khona ngimnike like imali. Athi no, it's fine, I'm gonna pay, don't worry. Guys, ngisho usazi uNkulunkulu yangibona. But now mengihlezi ngistress ukuthi every day ngizoyenza kanjani. Phela anye kube nenhlanhla every day. Yabo, where abantu like they are willing to like do you favors. Hey, okay, fine. The following day, okay, angihlise eBram, yebo? The driver. Athi mina Melinda ngiyakhisa lana angiye Auckland Park. So guys, all the time ngibile ngibe nestress sebusuku ukuthi ngiyenza kanjani. He didn't care. Aqamba manga no production ukuthi ini yena what angeke akhone. Guys, it was a mess. And then at that time I was very young and meseng ne anger, to be honest. Meseng ne anger because even good production, there was this other lady. She's been in the industry. I'm not gonna expose her now, but one day I will. because ngangikhohlakalele, you know. Ahleza akhuluma manga ngami. And that's because uyazi with production izosayida naye because she's been in this industry. Yabo? And sinini nanokusho ukuthi mina I don't want to expose this guy's name, but that he's a director, very well-known director. Athi phela mina naye singabangani. So in a way uyangitshela ukuthi noma ungakhuluma ukuthini, they're not gonna believe you. Hey guys. Yeah, I saw flames in the industry, hey? So, okay, fine. Makasho kanjalo, so the production ihlezi ingibizela ama meeting yabo Melinda sizwa bathi ngawe. Ngithi mina mara guys, I feel like it's pointless ukuthi niloku niza kimi because niza kimi seniconclude ukuthi whatever that person is saying iqiniso, yabo? So mina ngizosikhulumela ngithini because yonke into ekhulunywa amanga, it doesn't make sense, it doesn't add up, yabo? And I just got to a point where angifuni nokuzi explainer because now it's what it is. You understand that? She's been famous, production yamazi, maybe they've worked together before. Mina ngimncane ngiyafika. Uyanganisela, who's gonna believe me anyway? So the production misbekele umuntu yabo ukuthi mawufuna ukukhuluma naye maybe ziyakushubela yabo. You can talk to this person. Listen guys, when I went to talk to her, she was like to me, if you'd know ukuthi mina ngavelelwa yini ku industry le yenzeka kuwe incane, I went through the most. Imagine, but mawufuna ukukhuluma nomuntu nangu umuntu mawumele like what am I saying? So, Bati, it's like when you are experiencing problems and you want to vent out, nangu umuntu who's responsible for that. But mangiya kuloyo muntu loyo ngiyokhalela kuye athi yo girl le interest ziyashuba mina ngivelelwe into eziningi kabi. It's traumatizing. What you're dealing with is nothing. So basically uyang dismissa. She dismissed me and I was just like, you know what? Fuck it, man. Angisenandaba. At this point angisafuni ukwazi. I want my contract to be terminated. Sing right. Yaba? Shabu ugeli aloka the one who's been in the industry. And I think she's 60 if I'm not mistaken. And at that time mina I'm 20 years. I didn't understand why alusana nam. Yaba? So njalo emsebenzini ngiyakhala, I wanna be alone. I'm stressing guys because I'm like, yes, I love being an actress, I'm good at this and I know I'm a good person, so why is this happening? So obviously guys, you'll have people about console. They're like, what if you're a threat? Khona abantu vele abangathandi when they see your shine, when they see talent lakho, or babebona nje ukuthi you do grab attention, abathandi yabo. So just take it as if lo muntu loyo is intimidated, the right word, I'm not sure. They feel threatened by your success or whatever it is. Not success, but but they see you, they see your light. So abathand. But it doesn't make sense because I'm so young. But they just cheer me up, they're happy for me. Why yena ashlupha kangaka ngami? Yabo? And production. And guys, I so badly wanted to talk to this director. I thank you for the opportunity. And in the meantime, for sure you believe feeling the attitude in umuntu snacks because of ugel izinto akazikhulumayo ngami. But in the end mina ngalikhuluma side lam ukuthi she said nina wena naye niyabangani. You understand? Of which made me believe it's going to be pointless for me to explain things to you. To listen, you're going to call my amang. But I was just like, maybe one day I'll get to talk to him. And yeah, you know, angas, because I just didn't trust anyone at that point, at that time. Yeah, ma? So now back to what happened to me. Okay, let me do part 2. So now guys, I sing the anger and so now one of the production ladies come to me, is like, Melinda, what's really happening? Ngathi mina kuye, yazini, asibizeni ugel. Nibizeni production la, nami ngibe la. Lezi zinto akantshela zona, azikhulume ngikhona. Understand that? Nathi sibhekeni ukuthi okay, makathi 1 2 3 happened this day. Sihlanganise sonke, you understand? Nami ngikhona ukumbuza ukuthi how ngiyenze nini kanjani. Yabo? Athi ugel we production, you know what? Great idea. ithi ngiyomtshela ngithi mina good makayomtshela ugeli athi hayi yena ubusy ngescript wara angayivumi ukuthi sihlangane sonke. I'm like so uyabona ukuthi maybe amanga wakho azobambeka, or maybe uyabona ukuthi ugirl ubrave kusho ukuthi ufuna ukungi-expose ukuthi I'm lying, kusho ukuthi akangisabi. I don't know but angavumi ukuthi sihlangane mina naye ne-production. Lezi zinto akazitshela production asikhulume ngikhona, angavumi. Ngithi mina you know what, I'm out. Whatever akayishoyo manje angisangeni. Yes, I did it. Believe in whatever you guys want to believe. It's okay. So back to the transport driver. Oh guys, ni angishiye emaboning, yabo? Because guys, if menzo Bolter from la Street de la corner to Edgeworth, magui 300 and something each day. So shoot menzo sebenzeli Bolter phela. It doesn't make sense. Shoot menzo sebenzeli ukuyem sebenzini. It doesn't make sense. You understand? And it's not safe. I kept on emphasizing that. So guys, it is not mina. My safety guys matters. Ekseni ngazele emsebenzini. Because usually ekseni mengibele taxi. Yeah, I understand. Except mengibele taxi, I didn't have a problem. Mengibele ama taxi ayithuna, ngifike emsebenzini. Inkinga yami intambama. The only thing I asked ukuthi later on, noma singaqeda ngo11 ebusuku or ngo12, ngicela ningibuyiseleni endlini just so that ngizoba safe. Ishow ingidinga every day, but you guys don't care about my safety. Kanjani? Yeah, and so it didn't make sense. And then guys, I mean, I have a child. Okay, okay. Listen, I had a dream of being an actress and it happened. As much as I badly wanted that, my safety matters, my child matters, I had school. So either way, without art, I'm still me. And you understand it? Because I have skills, I have talent, I'm very educated. You understand? So it's just like, I can't just die because I'm TV. No way. I love art. I've been doing art ever since I was a child. But if milling sacrifice safety yami, I can't do it. I can't. I don't want to leave my child. You understand? I don't want to die. So when if I ndaba ni safety yami, mina ngizoba nendaba ni safety yami, yabo? So hey guys, so this one time the driver yasemsebenzini ingishiye emaboning. Hey, nalapho singatatazela. I'm like, hey, fuck it, Bolter. If something happens to me, it's fine. So this one guy athi kimi, you know what, because na uhlala emaboning yabo sehle sonke. Athi, you know what, ngizokumisa uBolte ugibele ngibone ukuthi usafe, yabo? Ungisharele ama details. Ngithi mina hi thanks. Masamile kanjalo guys ngiBolter. The Bolt driver afone. Athi ume kuphi? Yo guys. Mangiqeda ukumtshela ukuthi ngime nguphi. Mangithi ngiyibona imoto emhlophe iyapaka with this number plate. Ngisazi ngithi ngiyogibela bahluthi phone yami. So it was 3 guys. Yabo? So it was 3 guys bahluthi phone yami. It happened so quickly. I'm like, oh fuck, here we go again. So the guy afonile production lo mekangimisile abo afonile production umelindi uqeda ukubanjwa inkunzi 1 2 3 guys. They still like to me, Mel, can we Uber for you to endlini your rest? I'm like, guys, nisang Bolt, not Uber, Bolt. And then bazo deduct month end emholweni wami. Imagine how heartless. I'm like to them, you know what guys, I don't need your help. It's fine. I'll be fine. At that time, I had a boyfriend. I was like, I called my boyfriend using iPhone Galukai. Was onglanda. Bolter. Yabo? Was onglanda. Some Bolter sonke sabuyela RS. Michelle RS. Yabo? I'm a command cut. I was just like, guys, let's terminate the contract. I can't do this. I don't know, guys. Cause also the lady ended up being nice to me, but not to be nice, look too nice, yabo. Like nje athanda ukusho izinto like yena maka funa ukwenza impilo yomuntu ibenzima angayenza, yabo. Nini athi hayi yena uyinja ye-game. Mekahlezi anginakile, which I really hated so badly, yabo? Noma simile, maybe like siceda ukushuta, we are about to leave. Uzofuna nje ukungibiza asixoxise angibuze izinto. She was so weird. Like, guys, I hate her till this day. Mangambone mall angikhulumisa sho something, I swear to you guys, I'd cause a scene. Ngamtshela indaba zakhe, ngamtshela the way akhohlakele ngakhona, and I still wish sihlangane, yabo? So yeah, guys, it was just a thing of every month it was a lot that was happening, and that's why I took a break from acting. I was just like, you know what, Mel, focus on your studies. Uzobuyela ku industry whenever you are ready, or maybe when you have a car or something, I don't know. But yeah, I took a break from acting, cause yeah, guys, it got so scary. Everything that happened was just like insane. But yeah, I got to experience the industry and know how it works. And yeah, the Bolt, guys, especially in Joburg, it's not safe. It's not safe. Yeah, but one day I wish to tell this story, actually. You know, I still wish to meet the director and explain it to him. Listen, I know mngani wakho ukutshele ukusonokuso ngami, but like, that wasn't true. And because the director did ask, yeah, Mel, are you okay? Ngathi mina right, yabo? Because ngase ngisaba mina ukukhuluma ukuthi hey, angikho right, bra. Umngani wakho is doing 1 2 3, yabo? Because ngangisaba ukuthi uzohamba ayomxoxela bese ayenza impilo yami ibe nzima worse, yabo? So yeah, but one day, man, it's God's will at the end of the day. But yeah, guys, I took a break from acting. I don't think I'll go back. But if I happen to go back, hey guys, I don't know. If they say I'm provided transport, let it be that. My safety matters more than anything. But also I heard rumors about abantu abakhe basebenza nabo before who are in the production, yabo? Uguti vele, they're not professional. Hey, what? Hey. I was just like, oh, guys, you know what? I'm glad there was termination of contract. I'm safe. I'm okay. At the end of the day, I have school. You understand? It's not like in Zolamba without art. So, yeah, that was the entire story, guys.